students. I am your maths teacher Rajeshwari. How are you students? I hope all are very well. Okay. In previous class what we learned? Yes. Number name, count and match the abacus, before number, after number, between numbers, and 2-digit addition and subtraction sums. We are revised. Today what we learn? Yes, first we are learn multiplication table. We are learn daily one table. It is very easy to do the multiplication and division sums in your present class. Okay. See children, are you ready? Say the oral. Multiplication table of 2. Say 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. I say again. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. We are revise the sums. Write the position of letters in the following words. Write the position of letters in the following words. First one, see here. In the word father, F is in the dash position, R is in the dash position. Now we are use the ordinal number system. What is the ordinal number system? See here, a word that expresses the relative position of an item in an ordered sequence. I say again, ordinal number. A word that expresses the relative position of an item in an ordered sequence. Okay students, so many competitions conducted in our school. You are got more prizes. Yes, first prize, second prize, third prize. You got it. That are the ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, etc. These are called ordinal numbers. These are called ordinal numbers. Okay, we see the first sum. Okay, in the word father, F is in the dash position. F is in the what position? F is the first letter. So, first position. F is in the first position. F-I-R-S-T, first or first. Okay. R is in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So R is in the sixth position. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. R is here. You say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So R is in the sixth position. R is in the sixth position. Okay children, see the next question. In the word welcome, L is in the dash position. O is in the dash position. Okay, WELCOME, welcome. Where have the L? Where have the L? Here. You say first, second, third. So L is in the third position. L is in the third position. THIRD, third position. Next, O is in the, where is O? Here. You say again first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So O is in the fifth position. O is in the fifth position. Are you understand children? See children, we are see the next sum. Write the following as repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. See the first sum. 7 into 3. 3 times you write in 7. 3 times you write in 7. Number of times 3 times. In which table? 7 table. Okay. 7, 7, 7. Okay. Next 5 into 5. 5 times. Number of times 5. In which table? 5 table. Okay. Now you write 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. You write 5 times 5. Okay. Next 4 into 2. 2 times you write 4. Number of times 2, 4 table. Okay. 4 plus 4. Next, you see the sum. This is the attendance board of students from classes 1 to 5. Read the board carefully. Then answer the questions that follow. I say again, this is the attendance board of students from classes 1 to 5. Read the board carefully. Then answer the questions that follow. Okay, there give 5 classes daily attendance. 1 day attendance. First 27 students. Total number of students 27. Present student 25. Absent 2. Next, second class, second standard, 23 students, total number of students 23, present students 22, absent 1. Next, third standard, total number of students 24, present students 21, absent 3. Next, fourth standard, 22, total number of students 22, present students 18, absent 4. Next, fifth standard, total number of students 25, present 23, absent 2. They are give this data. We are use the data handling sum. What is this sum? Data handling sum. What type of sum? Data handling sum. What is data? What is data? We can see now. Okay, this is the data handling sum. What is data? The information collected in the form of numerical figures in a survey is called data. I say again, what is data? The information collected in the form of numerical figures. In the form of numerical figures in a survey is called data. Numerical figures in a survey is called data. Okay children, see the first question. Which class has the most number of students? Which class has the most number of students? See the tabular column. See the question. Which classes have the most number of students? Yes, first standard. First standard. Class 1. Class 1 or first standard. Which class has the least number of students? What number is very lowest number? Which is the very lowest number in this row? 27, 23, 24, 22, 25 they are given. Which is the very least number? Yes, 22 is very least number. So which class? Fourth standard. Which class? Which class has the least number of students? 22. 22 is which class? Class 4. Okay, next. How many students are there in class 5? Class 5 here. How many students there in the 5th standard? Yes, 25 students. How many students are here? 25. 25 students. Next we are see the topic time. Time is very important to our life. In which time you are wake up, when you brush your teeth, when you eat your breakfast, when you go to school, when you go to your home. So many works you have. So you fix the time and do. It is very useful to that time in our life. Okay, see children, all of you see the clock. Yes, you see in your home wall, in your hand. Okay, mobile phone. We use so many clocks and see the time. Okay, see 3 type of hands have in our clock. Small hand is our hand. Small hand is our hand. Big hand is minute hand. Small hand is our hand. Big hand is minute hand. Another one hand is have in your clock. That is second hand. There are 3 types of hands you have. Small hand is our hand. Big hand is minute hand. And another one hand is second hand. Okay, 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour. The big hand is rotated 1 time. How many minutes? 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50, 11 5s are 55, 12 5s are 60. So the big hand rotated 1 time. How many minutes finished? 60 minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Next, 1 minute equal to how many seconds? This is the second hand. 1 time rotated. This also 60 seconds. 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. How will you get the 3600 seconds? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 60 into 60. 60 into 60, you multiply, you get 3600. 60 into 60, you multiply in ones digit. 0 zeros are 0, 0 6 are 0. Next, first you multiply this one. Next, 6 0 0, 6 6 are 36. So 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. I say again, there are 3 types of hands in our class. Small hand is hour hand, big hand is minute hand, another one hand, big hand is second hand. Okay, 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour equal to 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Okay children, are you clear? Okay. Okay children, we do the sums in your home and you read the multiplication table today. So many times you say the oral in your home. Tomorrow we will meet the class. Thank you students.